Alright, today we're featuring two different kinds of Junmais. One is this big bottle,
Nice.
Junmai Tedorigawa from Ishikawa Prefecture.
And this one is 60% on the polishing.
And the second one is this tiny bottle.
That's cute.
It's called Yauemon from Fukushima Prefecture.
This also one is 60%.
So we have two different kinds of Junmai. Same polishing from different prefecture, which means they feature different kojis and different rice.
And also water is key too.
Different water.
Great.
Okay.
All right.
Let's try from Yauemon then.
Yeah, let's try that one first.
This is chilled.
I prefer chilled. I prefer warm. I mean, room temperature is fine. What do you prefer normally?
It really depends on what kind of sake I'm having. And I like to try the same sake in different temperatures as well. First is canned smoked oysters that you can just find in any grocery stores.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Second is grilled Vienna sausages that Japanese like so much from our fridge. And the third, this is our first too. We have potato chips.
Not sure about potato chips, but I mean,
we'll give it a try. Alright, so with the Fukushima Junmai, cheers.
Cheers. Smells really good. Ooh.
It's really refreshing.
That is really good.
So you can see it's a little bit yellowish.
Yeah, I'm not sure if the color will come out. I think you can get it pretty good.
It's more like champagne color.
It has a really good... it does have kind of a champagne color, doesn't it? It's really good.
It's very refreshing for Junmai. It's almost like Junmai Ginjo because it's 60%.
Yeah, 60%. And we'll get into that maybe in another video about polishing and so on. But for today, we'll stick with 60%. I think it's a good way to balance and to compare.
Okay.
What to try it with?
I think I'm gonna try the smoked oyster.
I'm gonna go with potato chips because that's just the way we normally do it. I don't know.
So for me, there's a lot of smokiness in the oyster, and it sort of offsets the refreshing,
Yeah.
freshness and refreshing taste of the sake.
The potato chip, because it's salty, and that's a fresh taste, it's not bad. I mean, you're not like, oh, it's really just balances. It's not I didn't notice like an enhancement of the potato chip, of course, but since it's refreshing and chips, yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it works. I mean, I can drink sake with pretty much everything. I mean, there's lots of food I haven't tried yet, but
they don't fight.
Yeah, they don't fight. Yeah, it's not. I'd say this would probably be the least on my pairing list would be potato chips, but we thought we'd try today.
All right, let's try the chilled Junmai from Ishikawa. This has been chilled in this container. So let's try that one.
So I'll do the pour.
Thanks.
Yes. We've got nice glasses, of course. Also from Ishikawa. Wow.
It's very different from this Junmai.
That's very different. Wow.
This has more flavor, I think. of the rice.
As opposed to, and it's also important while you guys are doing this to always have a little bit of water. Always good to clean your palate out. Wow, okay. So, got that one. I think I'm going to try the oyster. That looks really good.
We tried the sausage with this.
And a lot of the food that we've got, you can get pretty much at any market locally.
This one's interesting. The sausage and the junmai. And this is chilled. It kind of fights the flavor of this. They don't go very well together. Maybe the oil.
See, that's what I was thinking. With oil, I think sake tends to, some of it tend to fight, or it tends to go with the oil.
Right.
It's kind of like, again, they're not fighting, but it works. But again, it all depends on your palate.
This pairing, for me, it sort of brings out the acidity of the sake, and it's not that pleasant. I'd rather have it with something more mild, I think.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but...
Some people might like the attack, but it's...
I kind of wonder how that would work with Spam. Anyway. But again, we're trying it with, food from your cabinet, whatever's in your kitchen, whatever's in your fridge. So I think it's...
It's just experiments.
Yeah.
So now we have the warmed junmai, the Ishikawa Tedorigawa. We warmed it as well. So let's try that.
Lots of variations. A lot of variations today.
Yes. And this is something easy to try at home, to chill the same sake and warm it up. And it brings out different flavors in the same sake.
And the smell has already changed. Once you've heated it up, it's completely changes. And usually on the back of the bottle, you'll see they'll have kind of like a chart of what you can do, whether...
if it's suited for
heating. I think it's heating and...
Or chilled
room temperature, yeah. And it's I don't think this one has it on the back, but there are some breweries that do that. They do have that on the back of the bottle.
Now let me try the sausage again with the same sake.
I'm going to do the same.
That I like. This is surprising.
That's really good. Wow.
I think once heated, the alcohol content is less.
Yeah.
And that probably helps wash down the oily sausage.
It's a good balance for sure. It's a really good balance. I actually didn't think it was going to work. So which makes me think, I should try the potato chip.
Maybe potato chips aren't a good idea for sake.
I think potato chips might have lost today.
Okay, that's what we found out.
Well, but again, you wouldn't know until you try it.
Right. Let me try the hot sake with this.
Yes, that's going to be the next one. And that oil, I think, should go well.
I like that. I kind of think sausage paired better.
Yeah. I'm actually going to go with the sausage on this one. Wow. But, I mean, the oyster as well. They both worked, but I think the sausage gave it a better flavor.
Maybe different kind of oil that went well with the hot sake.
But again, the fun thing is just actually experimenting. Or if you're hitting up local brewers, or they're not even local, you're taking a trip, it's best to pick up a few of these, then you can get kind of a variety. And if you like them, you can always go back.
You can visit a local store, buy a couple of these, try them out in your hotel room, and you have a variety of sake experiences.
We've done that a couple times.
Yes.
Cheers.